Today's Tuesday, June 30th. This is the 1978 Cadillac DeVille AC programming control module. This is for my friend Raymond in Orlando. This is a full level 10 restoration. And this is the third out of a multi-video set. The predecessor video showed the complete bench layout and pre-assembly mode of all the similar discrete component parts that comprise this final embodiment. So this is the fully assembled final embodiment. I'm going to do a kinematic motion test after having already tested it in the 78 Cadillac DeVille and also on the Delco bench tester. So I'm going to go ahead and apply vacuum. You see how the unit actuates, and as it actuates and draws back on the vacuum actuator, it rotates the multi-port vacuum manifold right there, and that in concert rotates the triple connecting rotating connector that goes across the dissimilar contact fingers below. Okay, we can see we're holding constant vacuum, and I'm going to go ahead and release it to atmosphere. We're looking for the unit to relax, and it does so. So that's the 1977-78 2-year-only design Cadillac DeVille air conditioning programming control module. This is for my friend Raymond in Orlando. Today is Tuesday, June 30th. This is Eldorado, Georgia in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Okay. Today's Tuesday, June 30th. This is Eldorado, Georgia in Florida. Thank you very kindly.